Hi everyone, my name is Mike and welcome to Code Corpora, where we focus on delivering short, targeted, to-the-point coding tutorials. Today, we will dive into the str function in Python to convert an integer into a string. Here we take the number 100 and use the built-in str function to morph the number into a string. This converted string gets a new home in the variable known as estr_number. Our program uses a formatted string to print out the resulting converted string. Using fstring to include variable str_number into the output string, the program creates a custom message that enhances the readability of the script. It's a simple and effective way of turning numbers into text. Here we're dealing with a true boolean. By applying Python's str function, we can convert this boolean into a string. The output of the str function is a string that mirrors the textual form of the boolean input, true in our case, retaining the essence of the original data while changing its type to allow for string operations. This feature of Python gives it great flexibility when manipulating and presenting data. This last snippet is a little more complex. It concatenates several strings and string-converted variables to construct a personalized message. The biogenerator takes the variables name and age as an integer, then combines them into one string using the plus operator, which concatenates strings in Python. The age variable is transformed into a string using the str function, ensuring that it can be concatenated with the other strings. Consequently, the final output is a catchy introduction sentence, a small yet powerful demonstration of Python's string capability to integrate multiple data types into a single sentence. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. It helps us know we are making valuable content and helps support the channel. Happy coding!